Hi friends, some of you may be aware that I made these Dutch buckets. I want to give a short update. So if you see here, I have these Dutch buckets in which in 4 of them I have tomatoes, and then the rest of them I have okra lady's finger. It's almost done with the harvest. So how this thing works is that I have, so for example I can show it from here. So I have a reservoir. This is a 150 liter tank, loft tank, that I have put it over here, and I have the nutrient solution in this, and from here every 15 minutes I have a timer that operates the pump for 15 seconds, and it gets filled in this black pipe. It's called a drip lateral. From there I have taken output. Okay, from there I have taken an output, and the water will come here. So maybe in about a minute it should start on schedule. So I have all the water, all the 150 liters of water will get pumped into these pots, and then from there I have an outlet, so excess flow will come over here from all the pipes. So each of the pots are connected. The outlet comes over here, and then it goes back into the reservoir. So it keeps recirculating. I think now it has started, so you can probably see the water now, right? So this is the nutrient solution that's getting pumped. So it will run for 2 minutes, and you can, after some time, you should see water coming out of this pipe. Okay, so right now you are not getting the water because this is completely drained out. There will be only about 2 inches of so I have this hole at 2 inches height, so the water reservoir is up to 2 inches. Everything up above, in the remaining 10 inches, is only filled with this pebbles, the hydrotron. Okay, so let's see if the water has started flowing back here. Not yet, but it will come eventually. It will start flowing back. And so what is it that I have achieved by doing this? Okay, so here's an example of the potential of Dutch bucket system. So here too you can see water coming over here. So this is a semi determinate variety of tomato that I have planted. If you give it sufficient nutrition, this should give me yield for 4 months. So this one I have started over here. So if you see here, the length of this, okay, from here it has branched into 2, one over here and one over there. So let us continue to the left branch. Continuing with the left branch, it came up to here, and I have harvested the fruits all the way up here. I have already harvested around 2 to 2.5 kgs on this plant, and then it keeps going, and all the way almost to the top. So the total height that this plant has grown to is 7 feet as of today. And there is the other branch, the right branch, also has gone to 7 feet high. So the same is the case with the remaining plants. It's just that I did not trellis them up. I will in a few days. Okay, so this is something that I wanted to show you guys, and looks like the watering has stopped now. Okay, it's been 15 seconds, sorry, 2 minutes. So I was confused. So it starts every 15 minutes, pumps water for 2 minutes, and then the rest of the water will go back. Okay, once it fills, it drains down. Okay, all right guys, so this is a quick update on how Dutch bucket system works. I'm planning to, so I have totally 12 over here. I'm planning to extend this eventually to around 100. Okay, thank you.